Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove incognito mode in Chrome. So first of all, you have to go on Google Chrome extensions. Now type on the search bar disable incognito. Now you have to download this specific extension. Now click on it and click on add to Chrome. After that click on add extension. Now the extension is added. Now what you have to do is click on this puzzle icon. Now click on these three dots, click on manage extension. After that allow this setting. As you can see, I am able to open my incognito window, but after allowing this I am not able to open my incognito window, as you can see. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.